claims Nadine Winslow. Corinne Milligan and Charlie Saran of Norfolk, Virginia.
Yay! Hope I don't fall. You guys have
Bedford,
fun?
New Jersey is home to Jennifer Lawson as she gets close to the finish line. Right behind Jennifer is a great group of half marathon finishers, which includes Sydney Wright of Raleigh, North Carolina, Tracy Vincent from Hampton, Elizabeth Boyle from Hampton, Alyssa Warner of Newport News, Michelle Goodman of Hampton, Michelle Bark of Carrollton, Virginia, Jennifer Micklash of Columbia, South Carolina, Brenda Balling of Virginia Beach, Lori Lowry of Clayton, North Carolina. North Carolina well represented here today, as is Pennsylvania.